Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clear a tamper condition from a 2 gig edge security system. Now a tamper condition basically means that the panel has been opened up. Really what it means is that the tamper switch inside the panel is not pressed down properly, usually due to the panel not being closed properly. Once you close the panel, then the tamper condition should go away. Once you properly close it and the tamper switch is held down, it'll clear on its own. That's all you have to do. And then you can revisit the tamper condition in the history section of the panel. But you see right now, we have our 2 gig edge, and we do have an error on the system. We do have an alert. It looks like there was no battery. We corrected that, but then there's also a cell phone communication error, which we will work on that later. But you see right now, there is no tamper condition on the system. That's the important thing to note. But once I open up the system, then the tamper will appear. And I'll also show you the tamper switch inside the system so you know what it looks like. But what we're going to do, we're going to take the 2 gig edge and we're going to take it off the backplate. And you see it starts flashing at the top, and we get the 1 indicating that there is an alert and that there's a console tamper. So we're going to go back to the main screen here. And once it does clear once you once you acknowledge it, but I'm going to show you how you properly close the system so that way it goes away. Now first I want to show you on the back of the system here, we have the tamper switch right there. It's this little black switch down there in the upper portion of the panel. I have it flipped upside down right now, so it looks like it's at the bottom. Really, that's the top of the panel. It's this little black switch, and you see if I press it and then release it, then I get the tamper condition again because I pressed the switch. And if I hold it down, I'm holding it down, you see, holding it down, you see that the tamper condition, it goes away on its own without acknowledging it. And then if I release the switch, we get the tamper again. So that is the tamper switch right there. That's what you need to look for. Now we're going to go and close the system properly so that way the tamper goes away. And then I'm going to show you it in history so that way you can acknowledge a previous tamper condition. And to close the system, you just kind of want to, you don't want to arm the system like I just did. Disarm the default master code 1111. And so we're just kind of get under there. The trick is to get this this USB port on the top of the system. It kind of has to get under the panel there, under the backplate, I mean. And just like that, there, we've got it closed. And just kind of go around, make sure it's all good. There, it looks good to me. And we do still have the other alerts, but the tamper condition is no longer there. We've managed to clear the tamper condition. Now, there are a few things I do want to show you where you can revisit a tamper condition that occurred before, and also how you can prevent the condition from occurring in the first place. Now, if we click the 2 gig logo in the upper right corner, then we choose History, and you see Alert Triggered Console Tamper, and we had it a few times there as I was messing with the tamper switch. But you see we have them in History, and to get to that again, it's just the 2 gig logo in the upper right corner, History, and then you can see the tamper and other alerts on the system. So good menu to see. You don't need to add a code or anything. And we can just do the house picture in the bottom right corner. And now I want to show you in advanced programming how you can disable a tamper error. So we're going to click the settings icon in the bottom right corner there. We're going to enter in our installer code 1561. And we're going to go down. We're going to choose Installer Toolbox. We're going to choose Panel Programming. We're going to choose Advanced Programming. And we're going to choose Troubles. And if we go all the way down, System Tamper Causes Trouble. Right now it's enabled. If we turn it to disabled, then we won't get a tamper condition even if there is an activation of the tamper switch, or the tamper switch not being held down, that is. But we're going to keep ours enabled for now. We're not going to open it up again. But I did want to show you that just in case you wanted to change it. And once you click disable, then you can just back out to the home screen. There is no save button or anything like that. So very easy. But we're going to go back to the home screen now. And that more or less concludes the video. We do have a trouble condition here. Let's see what that is. No battery. Looks like I will go back and make sure that the battery is properly closed, but we will worry about that later. But anyway, that is how you clear a tamper condition on the 2 gig edge security system. If you have any questions about the 2 gig edge or tamper conditions, or you're interested in alarm monitoring services, send an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.